Vikram is eating the biscuit cone now. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Is it nice, Vikram? Is it yummy? Say yummy, Mama. Slowly, okay? Bite and eat. Chew properly. He's sitting on the sofa nicely. And look at him. Look at our little guy. That's nice. Are you done?
Done.
Other way around. Bite it. Yes. He's eating the cone now. Good job. Yay. Yay. Get a tissue na. Tissue ni saaf kar. Let you eat it. See, don't drop it. Tissue de ek mala. Let's clean the mess.
Ice cream color.
Ice cream खाता है. There you go. Done, Dave? Baba na deun tak if you are done. You're still enjoying it? Say enjoying the ice cream. Say yummy in your
Tummy.
tummy. Done deal, Puta? खातो है कोण तो चांगला. He's biting it properly. He's all into the ice cream. No looking anywhere else. Zoom. Do you like it?
Like it.
Love it?
Love it.
Say yummy.
Yummy.
Itebag, look here. Yay! Say yummy.
Yum.
Say bye-bye.